Okay guys, this is another valve job. KX250f. This is the 2015. This one just dropped off inside my driveway. When it started, the kids could get it to run. They'd run it up and down the road and then they'd get it to bump start. 2015 KX250f. This one is fuel injected. Anyways, so I did my usual routine and check it out a little bit and check the compression. Compression was bad. Intake valves, zero clearance. We adjusted those up and put it all back together and it runs perfectly. So anyways, let's have a look at the bike. This is just a typical used dirt bike. I don't think it has too many hours on it. It's actually all pretty much bone stock. The only thing that I could actually see on it was the aftermarket chain guide. I mean, it's got these stickers. But stickers are stickers. Anyways, it's the typical kid's bike. I think he's just a teenager. Look at that tire. I don't think I've seen a tire where every second knobby is just gone or like wore out. That's really weird. And then you look at the stitches, right? Typical kid's bike. Rotor's barely even broken in, really, that front rotor. Busted off handles, curled up. Front brake's all curled up. Looking down on it. Shifters nice and tight. The chain is actually really good on it. I'm surprised. It like doesn't crawl ahead on the teeth. Brought to me all dirty like this. Just left it in my shed. I didn't even know why it was there. And I asked my son, and he's like, oh yeah, no, Lucas wants to do his valves. So anyways, wash your bikes, guys. Wash your bikes. I mean, I didn't get any dirt in it, but I had to, you know, use compressed air and get it all cleaned out. But yeah, check it out. Kind of wore out back tire. All the wheel bearings are tight on this bike. So I was surprised, but the rear brake, so maybe it's a bit of a brake dragger, but it does have a lip on the brake. The pads are good. Took a hit on the foot peg. But even the pipe has no dents. But look at this one. This is great. Look at that repair. See, that's kid stuff. Anyways, on top of all of that, so whenever you do, you know, you work on a bike or whatever, check the oil. Don't send it out with no oil. And this one had no oil, and it had about 200 milliliters of oil in that bike. So anyways, let's try it out. Quick spin. I don't even know what this bike would be worth. All stock. Feel like the suspension feels nice and firm. And let's see. So this one here has a fuel pump. So let's get that to light up. There's a little light, kind of tells you it's, oh, see, it's on. There we go. First check. Gotta like that. They won't start if those tight intake valves. But it's nice. 2015. Feels nice and light. Idle's down good. Sounds good too. All the Kawasaki sound good. Taking through the gears. It's actually nice and quiet when you're not revving it. We just took a Yamaha out on the same little, you know, around my block. And then my tennis shoes, same gauge, just gonna try it out before I give it to him. the brakes, back brakes. Ooh, brakes are pretty good on this bike. A little better than that Yamaha. Let's see, does it idle in gear? Idles in gear with the clutch in. I like this bike. I like them all, but I like this bike a lot. Feels like it has a bit more bottom end than that Yamaha. It feels like it, you know, wants a wheelie. Oh yeah! Oh, this thing's cool. Ooh, this bike's sweet. I like this bike. I'd almost buy one of these bikes. Yep, this is it. 2015 KX250f. Oh my God, I want this bike. I love this bike. There it is. Lucas will be happy. It's so dusty. Oh, I hit one. Whoa! Oh! Oh, shit! Damn it! Oh! Oh!
Pound the subscribe button.